Filming. I gotta take this down, I forgot. Alright guys, we're at Hyland on probably the most sticky day ever. But there's like nobody here, so we'll just see what we can do. Alright. We're just gonna get warmed up on like some boxes and stuff. Alright, little rail. Oh, I've seen this on like other people's videos. I don't know. It's like kind of sketchy. There's already an ambulance here too, if you guys didn't see that. Yeah, we're just gonna get warmed up a couple runs, get used to the really slow, sticky snow. But then we'll try and get some fun tricks. And yeah, just kind of wing it, I guess. See what we can do in this weather. All right, I want to try that teeny little rail that was down there. Yeah. Got to test the rails to see if they're, holy crap, sticky. Just about died not even moving. All right, this is either gonna slide really well, it's gonna be super sticky and I'm gonna die, but okay. It's kind of like mid-level sticky to this. See, the boxes actually slide nice, which is weird because normally you'd think those would be the ones that are sticky. But it's kind of the other way around. This weather is just so weird. It's just so different. So like all the tricks you know how to do, you gotta like relearn them because it's just such a different like type of riding. But we'll get her done. We will still have fun. Oh my goodness, I'm like slowing way down for just coming off the tow rope. Alright, we'll wait for Ben. Oh, they got an S rail. I'm not gonna be doing that. Them things is sketchy. Oh yeah. He's got it. Board slide it. Oh my goodness. 180 out. Oh, that was insane. All right, let's get a little 270 out of this rail that is super sticky and slow. Or maybe not. Maybe we won't get a 270 out. That's okay too. Holy crap! You just sink so far in. I will say though, the one plus about that is that didn't hurt at all. Like it literally just didn't feel like I fell over. Which is really nice. But man, you gotta land tricks perfectly to like stick the landing. Otherwise you'd stick in the landing. Man. What? Is that what you were trying to do? No, I was trying to like land on my standing up. Yeah. You gotta land tricks like so perfectly, otherwise like even just a little bit like this, you just catch and like you're done. I'll try it again. I can't tell if it's just that one or if I'm just like, but it's kind of sticky too, which never helps on a rail. Oh gosh. Holy crap. That's really fun rail. Oh my god. Oh, I hit it so hard right there. Oh man. Absolutely smacked the back of my neck. My ski. Oh. Did you see my crash? No. I ate it so hard. I just like caught both front tips and just smacked down on my face. You good? I think so. What? Did I hit anything? Yeah. not like hard. I just like the ski hit the back of my neck, so I like didn't. Yeah. Just making sure it's not like bleeding out, but we're good. Guys, that was like straight tips getting caught straight to my face, and then scorpion around, and the skis hit me in the back of the neck. Which, if you're wondering, doesn't feel lovely. So, I don't want to do that rail anymore. I hope all the other rails aren't like it, because I would like to do rails. I don't even know what to do.
Like, oh, okay.
Like rails, I'm scared now. Because they're going to be like sticky. Or I don't know if they're going to be sticky or not. And speed is so bad for like jumps. I don't know.
Cannon over it. I didn't realize like it's a legit cannon.
Yeah.
Sick. You
Yeah.
can, like ride onto it. It'd be kind of fun.
We could try go to that side, just see what's over on that side, but it's just sad because there's nobody here. So if it was like good, if it was good conditions, like yeah, the temperature is great and stuff. It's just the snow is so sketchy. Oh, that's low-key sketchy. Oh, we're gonna hit this, I guess. Gap this to the top. Alright. Is there anything we can hit? Is there anything that's like been in my size, our skill range? At least in this weather. We would hit, there's so many more things that we could hit if this weather wasn't like this, but we just don't really trust ourselves. So, and that isn't an us issue. That's like, it's not your guys' fault or anything. It's a skill issue. And it's a skill issue that we should fix, but we're just scared. Okay? Yeah. Alright, let me try that. Guys, I'm gonna do something cool. Ready? Watch. Watch this. It's gonna be so tough. Oh, we got it! We actually kind of, we like, there's, oh gosh. It was kind of cool. Tail press? Okay. I low-key think we should hit unit, because I feel like we have enough speed somehow for it. Oh, my ankles are hurting. I don't know why. We got the front swaps though. I was actually kind of surprised on that. Like, yeah, it's not a hard trick, but like, I've never done it just because like I haven't. And we didn't eat it going off the lip, or not off the lip, off the landing. Just kind of, I'm surprised about that. I might hit unit. I feel like I have enough speed. Alright. Alright. I really don't want to die, but we'll see. Are you gonna hit it? Alright. Oh my gosh! Whoa! I landed way deep there. Oh yeah, we got more than enough time for tricks. I sent it like 20 feet past the knuckle.
Oh, I cased it.
Oh, I got way more than enough speed. Alright, we're gonna swap the pill again. Slow down for this a little bit. And setting that deep. Alright, we'll go for a 3. Because why not? Might as well get some trick. That was like the worst 3 I've ever done. But we didn't die. I'm just scared to carve off the takeoff because I feel like I'm gonna get stuck in the snow. So I kind of went up straight. The second one of the little ones. Right now? Good? I'll get a follow cam if you're gonna do it. All right, Ben's going for his first 3 at a park. On this jump, I think. He's got it. Yes! Let's go, Ben! Let's go! That was sick! Oh, sorry. Please don't kill me. Yes! It's like the coolest trick I've ever done in my life, guys. Get a little 1. Oh! Into gapping to the top. You! Oh, I should make sure the lens is not covered. That would be annoying. Alright, double swap this. No, okay. That's alright, I'm not gonna be greedy. Except on this 3, I'm gonna be greedy here. Oh, and I cased that, that's awesome. Alright, 3. Don't kill me. Oh, case. Holy crap. Wow, it's really snowing though. It's really coming down. I really hope it's not affecting the lens or the camera so you guys get a crappy video, because that would be annoying. So hopefully it's bearable. Okay, I might go back to the truck and just wait for Jack because he's in Eden Prairie, so he'll probably be here in a couple minutes. So you can keep riding or you can come with me. Okay, yeah, sure, awesome. We're gonna hit this again because it's a really cool like thumbnail thing. Oh no. Are you good, Ben?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You
the
sure?
nice thing about this snow is I didn't feel a thing. And
I know, that's what happened to me like over there somewhere.
Head
But
over tail.
do we have speed for this thingy? We're probably gonna stop at the top, but it's okay. Oh no! No! Okay. I almost got stuck up there. I don't know what I would have done.
I should have brought a microfiber. Microfiber.
Microfiber! I think I actually might have one in my truck, but it's way too hard to get. Red Bull, sponsor us. Sponsor us. Give me a sip. I need one for the video.
Can I have a sip?
Mm-hmm.
Faster or
It's not mine, so yeah, you can have a sip. All right, we're pumped up. We got wings.
Red Bull gives you wings. My board is so dirty. It's so sad.
Oh
My skis were dirty too.
At least hose mine down.
Yeah,
You know how much is in the bindings?
Oh gosh. Yeah. You know what?
Yeah.
Here, you can hold this.
Oh, I
Fingers are
can
full.
bet.
Fingers are freaking frozen already.
You gotta start posting on your Instagram.
I know, I do. I gotta get good though before I post on Instagram.
Even if you want, I can just make an account for you, and I can just post them for you if you don't want to make.
So
an account.
you can be like the super.
Well, either you do it, or if you don't want to, or if you can't.
So then you get the fame for it and whatever.
I'm
and
trying to
then-
help you. I said either you, or
I know.
if you can't like
I
have
know, I know,
TikTok,
I know.
I'll do it for you. because-
Cuts to Jack just like.
Guys, this
Just
isn't
like
this isn't a
phone
video
facing
about
the
skiing
dance.
at Hyland. It's a video about rage baiting Jack. One of our
I'm trying to
favorite
be a nice
pastimes.
friend, okay?
You should take this. It's about gone.
Okay.
It's not about
It's okay.
gone,
I already
but-
had one in the car.
Oh my goodness.
Drink it
You
while
better be
you're
really good today. You better be like really good. That was not even a 180.
Well, I didn't want to spill this. I realized I had this. Also, my I need to figure out.
What do you mean?
They're like too loose
Oh, at the top?
at the top. They're
Oh,
like-
okay. Did you not bring a belt?
You need.
No, I don't. But they're also like.
That's
weird.
why you wear
Oh.
baggy. Like
Why
you,
is it? Why
Oh,
do I have, like,
yeah.
Two?
Oh, look at my sweatpants.
They're gonna
they look
fall
the
down.
same.
They're
that's
gonna
my-
fall down.
They
You're
don't
gonna
ever
like.
really fall down. I just have to like pull them up.
You know
You get,
that's
like, a
steez though. You hit a sick
tight
3 and your pants just like go down to your knees.
Just like
That's
I
literally
moon,
steez.
I fall and I moon everybody.
No, your sweatpants are still be on. Does this look any good?
Yeah.
What's better?
Looks less dorky.
A little bit.
I gotta subtract a little bit dorky.
Jack, who looks the most tough?
Jack.
I kind of feel like Jack. Okay.
In front of the
And then he
snowball.
picks up his snowboard, and then it's negative points.
Are you sure? You
Yeah.
saw the video I sent you.
That's not true. Just because somebody makes it doesn't mean it's
but-
true.
Control John. Radio check.
Oh, did you see that POW fly up? POW day at Hyland. Alright, 2 out, possibly, maybe. There we go. That was a clean one. There we go. And yes! Just enough speed to get over. Alright, do we want to do a powder run?
What do we think would be the best?
We're just gonna be the steepest, probably like over there.
I feel like a tree run would be kind of fun.
Alright,
Okay.
what are we hitting on the way down? Okay.
Stop.
Dope. What?
Stop.
That sounds good. Oh my god! And bomb it. Oh, I'm still not even gonna have enough speed. All right, guys, we're starting a podcast. Chairlift.
Conversations.
Yeah.
Not that idea. What's like the line that we can talk about?
Women.
Women.
Sure.
Never.
Actually, we can't really talk about women nowadays. I mean, like,
You never know which one's which.
Yeah.
Which one's hotter in your opinion? 7 out of 10 blonde or 7 out of 10 brunette?
It depends.
brunette, because they're like smarter.
Right. Even though I'm blonde.
That's
I don't
not-
know.
that's not a girl.
I feel like it goes both ways.
Oh.
I might say blonde, actually.
You like you blonde?
It
guy?
depends. It depends.
You can say that about anything though.
What?
Like, do you like drinking or eating? Well, it depends.
It depends on
Yeah.
the situation.
We got like a whole. Literally, this whole hill is to ourselves. Nobody's on this chairlift.
That's 3 inches.
Guys, we're here at Hyland. I know it doesn't look like it because there's 3 inches of powder and nobody here, but this is Hyland. Trust us.
Oh yeah.
And I'm gonna eat it really
I think
hard.
we're all gonna eat it.
We gotta get some nose butters.
I'm about to eat it. Alright.
All right.
Yep.
All right.
Gentlemen.
Let's go. I'm just going tuck position. Tuck position the entire way. Ah! Yeah! Holy crap! Oh, I'm gonna eat it so hard. I might eat it. I might eat it really hard. Oh no, we're actually chill. It's just chill. Holy crap! Oh, it's getting ice. Oh! That was actually sick. Wait, that was actually like so sick. All right.
Chairlift Mr. Goomba.
Episode 2.
Chairlift conversations.
Yeah.
They're just 3-minute episodes.
Today we're gonna be talking about Jack's supple thighs.
Double thighs.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically once a week I hit legs.
Once a week.
And so,
That's a lot, dude.
yeah, once a week. So basically what we do is we start out, we go in there, and we do a little bit on the bike just to get the blood moving, you know? And then I hit squats till I cry, which is like 1 set. And
You-
it's actually 1 rep, really.
It's like sweating. You just gotta get like the fluids out.
Right,
Like, yeah.
right. So I just like put on like a tiny amount of weight, and then I just like do a couple reps of that, basically.
Yeah.
Then I go, my next part is I go and do incline dumbbell bench press. for my legs because why not?
It's one body.
It
Right.
it pumps the blood down to your legs.
Right, like
yeah.
you're like bracing yourself, so
Yeah.
you're getting but basically I
Yeah.
do that, and then I go in the bathroom, and I check out the pump, and then I scroll TikTok most of the time, and then I go back and I'll do like some leg extension and hamstring curls, and then at that point my knee gives out and I can't walk anymore.
Yeah.
So then I roll out to the car.
I can confirm that actually is his workout because I've gone with him multiple
Yeah.
times. But
Luca cried more than me.
there's one that I just I couldn't handle.
Yeah.
Guys done.
I hate him.
Isn't it crazy to think that we're already 5 leg days away from 2027?
That's insane.
Oh my god.
It's just around the corner.
Yeah.
That is-
Like it feels when you think about it, it makes the year fly by. It's
Right.
like
When
crazy.
you think of it in terms of leg days, it's just like a week because you
Yeah.
have to do them 7 times.
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Oh. Watch Jack so he can eat it. He survived.
Yeah, suck that. Alright, who wants to hump the snowmaker?
What?
Who wants to go hit
Let's play a game. Who can get the closest?
I'm
Who can
thinking I
spray it the most? Spray it.
Oh, the snow wall.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's fair. Yeah.
Check out all the snow. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Cry about it. Oh my goodness. All right,
Fun.
episode 3 of Chairlift Thoughts.
We're talking about Luca's love life.
Yes.
It's not much to talk about.
So I suppose,
Kindergarten to K-12.
right,
Yeah,
and I suppose,
Yo.
just because we're going to be so famous, we can't say names.
Yeah.
So we're gonna talk about
Yeah.
Andrew's love life.
Well, no, I mean like other people. We could say our names, but like,
Oh.
Yeah.
say my, like.
Yeah, because I'll get famous one day and like, we don't want to
so-
make that person like.
So what went wrong with Thomas this summer?
Thomas?
You know who we're talking about.
Yeah.
We all know who you're talking about. Thomas.
Can we use maybe like a girl
no,
name?
Thomas is perfect.
Okay.
Frankie.
Okay.
Frankie.
'Kay.
You know why? We'll call her Frankie.
Call her Frankie.
You know why?
Okay, we'll call her Frankie.
Call her dad.
Pretty much.
Yeah. All
What?
right. Basically.
We were not calling. So pretty much, I was being super awesome and like perfect. I was just being like the perfect,
Other than
like,
material.
exactly. Yeah, that's what Jack said it, not me. And pretty much, Frankie just decided to ghost me and just didn't care anymore. So, and now he is hanging out with another dude.
Yeah.
He. Frankie is hanging out with another dude.
That's what Luca likes to tell you. It was a guy.
He was not a guy. Yeah, it's not funny.
Yep.
Maybe we should talk about your guy friend.
My guy friend.
Yeah.
Marathon?
Mark.
Wait.
No,
No, we'll talk
Drew.
about next time on. Next time.
Next episode we'll
Next
talk about.
next episode, guys.
Drew.
Yeah, that's my love life.
I'm trying to think of like relatively easy like powder tricks we can do.
I'm just gonna try it nose butter 3 again.
I'm just gonna wait. Follow me.
Wait, watch this. Oh no! Oh! That was actually low-key dope. I'm gonna make that a 1 second short. I'm actually that would just be so funny, just
So
a
on the-
1 second.
On the next one, you should be like, "Hey guys, today special guest Zeb Powell will keep snowboarding with us."
And it's just you, yeah. Oh wow! Ah, it's ice! I found the groomed stuff. Holy crap! Episode, what are we on? 4?
4
Talking about Jack's love life, which, believe it or not, is not me.
on the weekends. Well, I guess it should go. You guys ask. Okay.
All right. What's his name?
Mark.
Ark?
Mark.
Mark. Okay, Mark.
Mark.
When did you meet him?
Known him for a really long time. Our families knew each other, but then like a few years ago, started hanging out again. You know,
Yeah.
and it just all went from there.
What did you do on your first date?
We went for pizza. It's pretty.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Wait, where?
Carboni's.
Okay, I was gonna say if you did like Domino's, that's like
I know,
such
yeah,
a
we went to
buns
Carboni's.
idea.
How long have you two been together?
So we waited a really long time to like officially be dating, but almost about like I think like 10 months now of officially dating.
That's awesome. That's
Right.
awesome.
Did you ask her to date? Did you ask him to date you, or did he ask you to date him?
I asked him to date me.
That's good. That's good. That's how it should
just
be.
a disclaimer: none of us are gay. We're
Yeah,
just using different,
we just
using guy names
like to joke about it to make people feel uncomfortable, but actually none of us are gay.
and to conceal the names of
Yeah,
people.
to the people we're talking about.
Do we
Yeah.
want to go up there?
Sure.
Yeah.
All right.
Gotcha.
All right, guys. That's gonna be the end of episode 4.
Sure.
So stay tuned, and yeah, subscribe for more content like this, for more chairlift thoughts.
It's so icy underneath the powder.
I know. Oh no, I'm sliding. Okay, we're fine. Yeah. All right. Just try not to die on this. Dude, that thing, now that I know how to do it, it's so nice. Alright, can get a 2 out here, maybe. Nope. Man, this is getting so windy, and it's so hard to see. You can't even see where the lip is anymore. Alright, 2 out, hopefully. There we go. Oh, can we grab it? Oh, there we go. Just destroyed my gloves right there. Alright, it's a clean 2 out. Get another one. Oh, that was you. Like, scared me. Ah!
I can't get it good, bro.
It's like super slippery until you catch and it's super sticky.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, there's so much powder here. Moguls. Oh no. Moguls and yeah, in flat light. Ah. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ah! I know, icy moguls in flat light with insane powder on them. All right, where are we going?
I mean, it was pretty good here. It wasn't quite as good as over there. I'm horrible at tree runs. You can get better. But like, it's so high risk. I don't want to get blasted.
How is that high risk?
Hitting a tree.
You're in powder. You're not gonna be going fast.
Oh, alright.
Literally just turn around them like it's not that big of a
My
deal.
fault.
Yeah. How can you be bad at tree runs?
I find ways.
All right. 360. Oh, I'm sorry.
There's that one too.
Uh,
That was so bad.
switch one out of it. Ah! Oh. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. Oh, there's a lip here. Woo!
Your lens is covered, by the way.
Ah!
I don't know if I did anything, but.
You tried, okay?
Cassie. Big chilling.
Yeah. I'll probably just follow Ben. Unless he like dies, then I probably won't follow him. Ooh! Oh! Ben! Holy crap! It's the big rainbow! Oh wait, look it. Transfer up to the top. Oh. Oh.
How's your lens?
Where's my lens?
Fantastic.
I just kind of wiped it off, yeah.
Oh, that's good. They make lenses actually that spin. Like they
Really?
have a cover over the lens.
That's great.
Oh, I've
Wait.
seen that. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
crazy.
yeah. And then, like,
So it
knocks
just
all,
doesn't
like,
get
the snow
covered?
and rain off and stuff. It's
Wow,
really cool.
that's crazy. I'm gonna have to get me one of them, but it's probably as expensive as a camera, so maybe not. Oh, I stepped on myself. Oh. Powder through here. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Then we go through here. Oh, where do we go? Oh, right here, right here. Then we cut over. Cut over. 180 out of this. Oh, that's sketchy. I don't know why I'm British either. Kind of scary. Actually. Hit it, Jack! How do you wipe out? You landed it. Oh, I need speed! Ben, you cut me off! Oh. Alright. Nose bottle 3 on this knuckle, right here. Right here, this is gonna be stomped. Stomped. Oh no! He goes down. Oh, he goes down hard. But he gets back up because he's an animal. Look at that. Look at that. It's a wild jack, tail pressing through the powder. Oh, and so much fluid is coming out of my nose. Gosh. What a blimey run. Alright, we're gonna have to tuck. Tucking hard. Can I beat Jack? I'm gaining on him. I'm gaining on him. Uh-oh, through the flat. Uh-oh. Totally gonna make it. Alright, boys and girls, if any girls watch these videos, I don't know. That's gonna be all. Had a surprisingly good day. Like I thought it was gonna be like kind of buns just because it was so slow and sticky at first, but it actually turned into a really fun sesh. So and a lot of powder, as you can see here. Yeah, that's gonna be it though. I hope you guys enjoyed like a different style Hyland video. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, I hope I see you guys in the next one. Peace.